Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Paditech 5000 milliampere hours phone case and docking station and power bar in one device. As you can see, it's a phone cell case with an power bank inside, and you are able to assemble it onto your Apple device. It's made for Apple iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. It makes plus 15 hours phone call, plus 52 hours music, plus 15 hours web, plus 15 hours 3D games, and plus 125 hours standby time. 5000 milliampere hours. These are 200% extra battery life. Wow, and let's have a look what's inside. First step, this is the instruction manual in different languages like English, German, French, etc. And there it is, the product itself. This it is, the case, the battery, the power bank in one device, ultra slim and lightweight. It's only 0.71 inches, ultra slim as you can see, but it's heavy. It's about 140 grams, I think. It's so heavyweight as you can see. It's protected international electronics. It can be used for car wireless chargers and mitigate the impact of drop. It's good. There is a restore protection, an overvoltage protection, electromagnetic protection. Oh, so many protections, isn't it? Overpower protection, overcurrent protection, temperature protection. Oh yeah, so many protection as you can see. Over discharge protection, short circuit protection, anti-plug protection, and overcharge protection. Wow, that it is. The Paditech 5000 speed loading device. Wow, nice as you can see. But now we're going to see this part of technology in action. Let's have a look. There it is, the Paditech case, and on the right side there is an Apple iPhone 7, white or gold. We have to look. This will matches, of course. It will match. It should be match, of course. Yeah, heavy mobile power. Do you want to get rid of the following embarrassing encounters? Heavy mobile power? Yeah. Phone died at critical times? No. This is a solution for this. Game time, but phone died? Oh no, that's not good. Charging cable too long? There is no cable needed. Only wait for one wide and at one side. Oh, that's so long. Affect appearance. Oh, these are heavy things we are going to solution power with this device. Okay, let's try this. We have to use our Apple iPhone 7, and there on the bottom side there it is, the port and or the plug, as I can see. There's the plug, and on the upper side is the Apple iPhone 7, and this has the port. Now slip it, the phone case and phone form 20 degrees, parallel move and align the plug below. Gentle press the phone head, as you can see. Good job. Now it's installed easy and fast. Okay, now press the button at the phone back, turn on the charge. And there's on the bottom side, there it is. This is the button. You have to push twice to make the LEDs on. And now the phone is loading. 200% more power. Yeah, battery case operating device. Good job. Nice and easy to handle, but a little bit too heavy, I think. Okay, let's check this out. There it is, the smartphone inside. It's not loading anymore. Now push twice on the button on the back side. Yeah, and now let's have a look at the front side. And there it is. Oh yeah, power supply device. Good job. Now it's loading. Yeah. Now push again twice. Good job. And now it's not loading. So it works proper, as you can see. Easy, easy going. Now, how to charge your new device or your power case device? Only use the lightning cable and switch it in position on the back side or on the downside of this additional part. And now it's charging. Good job. Now it's charging, as you can see. It's charging first the battery of the iPhone, and after the battery is full, it will charge the internal battery system. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.